Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine having the power to create stunning, professional-grade prints from the comfort of your own home or office. That's exactly what the Canon imagePROGRAF Professional 13-inch PRO-310 wireless inkjet photo printer offers, and I'm super excited to dive in and show you all its amazing features. First off, let's talk about the incredible 9-color plus Chroma Optimizer pigment-based ink system. This is where the magic happens, folks. With this system, you can produce gallery-quality prints that will leave you speechless. The level of detail, the vibrancy of the colors, and the overall finish are simply top-notch. Whether you're a professional photographer, an artist, or just someone who loves printing out their favorite memories, this printer is going to exceed your expectations. The 9-color system ensures that you get a wide range of colors, and the Chroma Optimizer adds that extra layer of depth and richness to your prints. Now, let's talk about ease of use, because let's face it, nobody wants to spend hours figuring out how to use a printer. The Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-310 has got you covered with its anti-clogging system and skew correction. These features ensure that you can print with confidence, without worrying about clogged nozzles or misaligned paper. The anti-clogging system uses a unique algorithm to detect and prevent clogs, while the skew correction feature ensures that your prints come out perfectly aligned. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing prints, without the hassle of technical issues. Another feature that really caught my attention is the matte black ink. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to create stunning black and white prints. The matte black ink offers enhanced black density and a wider dark area reproduction range, which means your prints will have deeper, richer blacks and more detailed shadows. This is perfect for photographers, artists, and designers who want to create dramatic, high-contrast prints that really make a statement. And the best part? The matte black ink is part of the 9-color system, so you can use it in combination with the other colors to create truly unique and stunning prints. Now, let's not forget about the 3.0-inch color LCD monitor. This is a really convenient feature that lets you easily check ink levels, printer status, and other settings. You can navigate through the menu with ease, and even preview your prints before they're printed. This is a big time saver, and it's also really helpful for troubleshooting any issues that might come up. Plus, the color LCD monitor is nice and bright, so you can see everything clearly, even in a busy or brightly lit room. Last but not least, I want to mention the LUCIA PRO II ink system. This is a proprietary technology developed by Canon, and it produces enhanced gloss uniformity and scratch resistance. What this means is that your prints will have a beautiful, even finish that resists fading and wear and tear. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create prints that will last for years to come, whether it's for personal or professional use. The LUCIA PRO II ink system is also designed to work seamlessly with the 9-color system, so you can create stunning prints with confidence. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF Professional 13-inch PRO-310 wireless inkjet photo printer is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to creating professional-grade prints. With its 9-color pigment-based ink system, ease-of-use features, matte black ink, 3.0-inch color LCD monitor, and LUCIA PRO II ink system, this printer is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their printing to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get